Hi friends, I'm Missy and I hope my friends are fine, sound and safe in their homes in this quarantine time without any work or any in-person classes. Yeah, we are passing through a tough time right now, and all these are definitely the impacts of COVID-19 on us students. And I'd like to talk on the huge crisis that the world is facing today, COVID-19. And I'm sure that you will be able to get an idea on how to prevent the contraction of this disease as well as the spread among the people, along with discard along with how to discard the fake messages that you daily receive, along with how to take the right step to help in the fight against COVID-19. Let's see what is COVID-19. COVID-19 is a viral infection which is highly contagious and is considered airborne. It has got flu-like symptoms like um, shortness of breath, high fever, along with dry cough. But in people who have a disease condition prior to the infection, it is highly critical because this flu can pave way to pneumonia along with chest congestion, shortness of breath, high temperature, and fatality. So, friends, COVID 19 is no more a joke, but it is serious. But do not panic. If you're suffering from a runny nose, a sore throat, or a productive cough, do not worry because you're not probably suffering from COVID 19 but from a small cold. And the means of spread of this disease is through sneeze, cough, speech, or contact with individuals infected. But you should also keep in mind that COVID 19 has no medicine yet found. Also, it is not spread from animals to humans or from animals to animals. Let's see what the world is facing today from COVID 19. The world economy has fallen down very badly, and the effect of COVID 19 on students, workers, and senior citizens are very worse. People goes unemployed, and um, you cannot even get a caretaker for elderly people in some parts of some countries. um, but the government has taken many measures to prevent or to reduce the spread of COVID-19. It has also taken many measures to help the people who are suffering due to this disease condition or due to the quarantines that the government has implemented. For example, in countries like India, the complete lockdown for 21 days has been implemented successfully, and along with almost complete travel ban. Only necessary travels are allowed in the country. And in countries like Canada, people or public gatherings more than 5 is eligible for a fine of amount $1,000. And definitely government is doing all that they can to help people prevent the contraction and the spread. And it is also to be noted that COVID-19, the cases are rising day by day. The rising cases um, have almost reached 8 lakh all over the world, and the mortality rates rising. But there is still hope because there is also recovery rates. But still, keep in mind that prevention is better, always the better. And let's see what are the preventive measures that we can take. First of all, social distancing is the most efficient method to prevent COVID 19. And then, exercising good hand hygiene and also avoiding close contact with infected is highly beneficial, is highly a must. And thirdly, but the most importantly, you should educate yourself on COVID 19, and also you should educate yourself from credible resources in order to identify fake messages and to discard them in a better manner. Also, you should, if you sneeze, keep your mouth and nose closed and dispose of the tissue as soon as possible. And also, avoid traveling, stay home, stay safe. And last but not least, what we people can do at our homes is to enrich our immunity by intake of vitamin C rich citrus fruits like lemon and orange and any fruits belonging to citrus family. It'll definitely help you get rid of the disease. So a better immune system is always a must in order to tackle this condition. Yeah, in a nutshell, I have almost described the effect, the devastating effect of COVID 19 on the world. I have also mentioned the current scenario, the symptoms and spread, along with the preventive measures that we can take to tackle the situation. Always remember that in this situation, the contribution of each individual is important because the governments, the officials, the health authorities, the police officials are working for us day and night, risking their lives to save ours, to keep us healthy and away from the disease. So if we help ourselves, it help reduce the burden of the people who help us. Always follow the government rules and stay at home away from the crowd. Enrich your immunity and always follow the government guidelines. Always remember that prevention is better than cure, and we will overcome, we shall overcome.